If I ask you to compare between my student housing and your apartment, which one would you choose?
If I rate your apartment as 5 star, I would rate my apartment as 2.5 star.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you the most affordable student housing in Finland, especially if you're living in the city of Turku. So today I have Sunny Bhai with me, who's going to give me a tour of his apartment. And later I'm going to ask him about his experience in his apartment and also about the rent. So let's start the video. As I mentioned earlier that I live in the student village area in Turku, Finland. So this is the student village and these apartments are just across the road from my housing or apartment. And these are all student apartments. There are like single apartments or family apartments. You can find all sorts of apartments in this area. So after walking for a few minutes from my apartment, we reached to the building where Sanivai lives. So this is the main door of the building. So he needs to scan the key, and in this floor there are about 12 people living. And they all share one kitchen. So first I'm going to show you the kitchen and then his apartment. So now we are going to the kitchen, and I guess he's very lucky because the kitchen is just in front of his apartment, so it's a blessing for him, I guess. So this is the kitchen. Like there are around 8 stoves, and also the outside scenery is pretty much beautiful from the kitchen. And one important thing is that in this shared kitchen you don't need to worry about like deep cleaning, because there are other cleaners who will come every day to clean your kitchen and all. So now I am giving a tour of his room. So every room has attached bathroom and it's pretty much big, I would say. Now I'm going to give you the room tour. Like his room was pretty much clean, but as I wanted to do a video, so he wants to like tidy up the room and make it more presentable. But I already said that it's already pretty much clean, so I just asked him to arrange the blanket, as you can see. So now we're going to see his room. So in this room you will get only the cabinet and the mini refrigerator and also the shelves that are given by the housing authority, but all the other things you need to buy, like the chair, table and the bed and other things that you want to have in your room, which I'm going to tell you in another video. So let's talk with him.
So, how much do you pay rent for this apartment?
Well, I pay almost 290 euro per month.
So, like, do you like this apartment?
It's not bad. It's close to my university. That is the biggest advantage. So within 10 minutes I can reach my department, and my apartment is neat and clean, and also the kitchen is also clean. So though I hardly go to the kitchen, but for me it's clean compared to the other apartments.
Okay, also I want to ask you, like as I think that this is the most affordable apartment in Turku/Finland. Do you agree with this statement?
Well, it's I think it's not the like cheapest apartment, because there are some apartments which has like 240 euro or something like that per month rent, but uh, they are not close to the university, so yeah, you need to use transport. So yeah, you have to spend some money for the transport, but for me, I can go there by walk. I don't have to take the bus, or I don't have to like use any cycle. So
But if we talk about access to university and also access to bus stop and other amenities, so like in that sense, do you think it's
yes,
very good?
yes, like I think this is like located in the best place, and for that I think those apartments which are close to the university have higher rent. So yeah, I agree, considering all those advantages. I don't have problem paying 290 euro per month, and I will not want to stay in those distant places where I can pay less, but they are distant from my university. So yeah, considering all the benefits, I will always prefer these locations.
If I ask you to compare between my student housing and your apartment, which one would you choose?
In my opinion, I think yours one. If I rate your apartment as 5 star, I would rate my apartment as 2.5 star. Yours apartment is the like best place that 2S can offer in their student village, but of course the like 5 star comes at a cost. So yeah, those who can afford, they should definitely go for it. But for students like who want to like spend less than 300 euros but also want to stay near the university, near the bus stop and city center and everything, they can consider my places as well.